juicy rib booty, baby. Someone tell me what this is. No, that thing looks sweet, man. What's up, guys? It is your boy FastLaneD, and today we're about to go get Ivy from the Harley Davidson dealership. She's been there for about a week and a half now, and I miss her so much. I had some free time the other day. I had like an hour and a half, and I was like, oh, let's go pull the R1 out, and I went to go do it, and Storm would not start. Oh, here we go. Here we go. And I was like, Ivy would never, ever leave me hanging like this. So to say I'm excited to get her back is definitely an understatement. So I called an Uber. I think that's him over there. Oh, we're a little late. I should probably start running. There's no way to look cool and run with a backpack. Just a fun fact. And for those of you who've been following the channel for a while, know that that rear wheel would squeak when it got warm. I had no idea what it was. I thought it was the belt that needed to be adjusted, but it ended up being the wheel bearing. So we'll see how expensive these bills are. But we're about to get in the Uber right now, and then I'll see y'all when we get there. That's awkward. That is definitely not an Uber. It was just some random lady eating lunch, and now she's awkwardly driving away. So here's our Uber. I'm looking at Ivy right now, and holy cow. Oh, that big old juicy booty. Oh. Look at this thing. Holy cow. That is so fat. I don't know if that puts in perspective. I have a pretty big hand. Like, I'm not a small dude, I'm a big dude, and that is absolutely ridiculous. I love it. All right, if you've been thinking about doing that, do it. Don't even think twice about it, just do it. You can actually see tread in it now. Ooh. We got new wheel bearings. Obviously, you're not gonna be able to see that, but I cannot get over how sick that looks. We're about to head in and go pay the bill. This is the non-fun part that no one talks about right here. Gotta pay to play. Oh, I love these, the fat bobs. Ooh, look at those pipes. The bronze is sick. All day. Congrats to whoever bought this. This is freaking sweet. Love the matte black paint on it. That is freaking sweet. Man, these just scream old grandpa to me. I don't know about you guys, but they literally scream, especially the trike. Grandpa all day. Big grandpa. I could see myself in like 10 years or so cruising the bike night on this, and that's about it. And then we got the other trike out here. My man's got the speakers in the back. The JL audio, I love that. Bumping it. I know he has a good time. And y'all washed it for me?
Oh yeah, every time it comes in.
Ooh, look at that. That's the cleanest it's been in a while. That is awesome. That is awesome. This is my first Harley, so I've never had any shop wash my bike. So if you need work done and you're in Lexington, come see Chrissy.
Yes.
Chrissy at Man of War Harley Davidson. She'll hook you up.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chrissy. I appreciate it.
Safe out there. We'll see you next time.
All right, let's hop on this and see how it goes. Oh man, I'm so pumped. I'm still tripping that they cleaned the bike. Oh, that cold start, baby. Oh, yes, sir. That American Porsche muscle, baby. That's it. Ivy, I love you. I love you. Oh my God. I can't wait to do the build on this bike. I'm gonna make this bike an absolute monster. I really can't wait. All right, let's ride. Wow. She just wants to turn now. Oh my gosh. Wow. This thing is sweet, man. The live wire. I've not seen one out. How's it going? Woo. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. This thing is sweet. What do y'all think about this? Got the Brembo brakes. I love to hear how it sounds. Obviously, there's no exhaust or anything, but like I said, electric motorcycles are cool for my tech people. For my true gearheads, though, I don't know. It's a different feel. But as far as looks wise, I mean, it looks freaking sweet. I don't really have any complaints. It could definitely use a bigger rear tire on the back, if you're asking me, but I may be a little bit biased. Juicy rear booty, baby. Oh, that thing looks good. That is awesome. No, that thing looks sweet, man. I like it.
It's fun.
What are your thoughts on it?
It's a fun bike.
The thing is that I would miss the sound of.
It's different.
Yeah.
Still a cool noise that it makes.
Okay.
It doesn't anything like that, obviously.
Yeah.
Do you have your motorcycle license?
Yeah.
We do test rides. So
Really? When? How often? Or when?
whenever.
I might have to come back and do that.
They're so fun.
Really?
Yeah.
Heck
You
yeah.
know, something like this that's got some power,
Yeah.
I think you'll be really impressed by it.
Okay. I have a sport bike too.
What kind?
A R1.
R1? Okay.
Yeah.
I got an R1.
Heck yeah, man. So back in the day. Oh, he's getting it.
But yeah, I started riding on sport bike.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's definitely more sport bike than any other Harley.
That's what I need, man. I still need that power. That adrenaline rush, man. It's just so addicting.
The top end is kind of weak on it just
Yeah.
because of the way it's designed.
Okay.
But the bottom end is all sport bike. It reminds me of a 1000 all day long.
This thing is nuts. I'm gonna be here all day just freaking looking at bikes. Someone tell me what this is in the comments below. All my Harley experts, because obviously I'm new to Harleys, but I mean, look at that thing. That thing is awesome. I want to get all my stuff powder coated black as well. Hey bro, shout out to you. That is a sweet freaking bike. All right, let's get back on the V-Rod. Am I the only one that loves motorcycles that much? These people probably think I'm crazy out here talking to myself walking around motorcycles. And I'll try and cut out me saying wow a million times, because I know that's what I'm going to be doing, but just when you thought this bike couldn't feel any better. Oh yeah, she's getting squirrely. Alright, Ivy, alright. You got some new rubbers on you, but the bike just like dips. It's like whoop, whoop. Versus before it was like come on, come on, come on, then boom. You gotta be easy because of new tires, but oh my goodness, yes. Some of the most friendly people I've dealt with at a dealership. Usually when you go into a dealership, it's like, what do you want? We don't give a fuck to talk about bikes or do anything else. What do you want? All right, beautiful, get out of here. And that's always been the relationship. And I get it, like a business is busy and they have other things going on, but I also feel like it's important to build that community around the bikes so you get people coming back. Comfortability with the torque of a sport bike. My sport bike riders, I'm telling y'all need to get you a V-Rod, babe. But not just a V-Rod, a V-Rod muscle. You got deep in your voice when you say it, muscle. Oh, it feels great in these curves. Oh my goodness. I mean, the bike just wants to lean. Holy cow. Oh yeah. And that's one thing I was worried about. When I originally went and told the Harley dealership that I wanted to put a 260 on here or 280, the guy warned me that the turning wouldn't be as good because the tire would be more bunched up. So there would be a higher peak in the center versus it being a little bit more flat. And right now, obviously they're brand new tires, so it feels phenomenal right now. But I will keep you guys updated. Oh yeah, all day, baby. All day. All day. Come on. Feels great in the turns. No doubt in my mind. Feels phenomenal. But yeah, that's it. Tell me what y'all think of the new juicy rear booty, baby. Oh, man, it got even fatter. How could you not love that? She just needs to be lowered a little bit. But anyways, if y'all enjoyed that video and y'all want more V-Rod content, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and that's all I got for y'all. FastLaneD and I'm here out, baby. Last days of riding season. I don't know what I'm gonna do this winter. You guys gotta let me know some off the bike videos you'd want to see. My legs are frozen. Okay, I might be being a little dramatic, but